Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to move your contacts on Gmail. So the first thing you do is open up your Gmail, which is what I've done just now. So you open up your Gmail account, the Gmail whose contact you want to move. Then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on contacts, and then tap on organize here. And now you can either import or export. Now if you're using the import, if you want to import the contact into your new Gmail account, so you tap on import, then you select the file, locate the .vcf file you exported earlier, and then you tap on import. Now if you've not exported before, tap on export first, choose the account you want to export to, the Gmail account you want to export to. Let's say I want to, it's here and I want to export, tap on export. You see, you choose the contact and to be saved as VCF, tap on save, and then to be exported for you. And before you have to export it, when it is done, then you can now import it to the new Gmail you want. So you tap on it, that is it, .vcf, and it will be imported. It is as simple as that.